In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable chart shift on MetaTrader 5. Whether you're trading currencies, commodities, or indices, having a clear, organized view of your charts is essential for effective analysis and decision making. One of the features that can greatly improve your experience is the chart shift feature, which allows you to adjust the view of your charts easily. Today, we'll walk through the process of enabling this feature step by step, ensuring that you can customize your trading interface to suit your preferences. To begin, let's ensure you have MetaTrader 5 open and ready. If you're already familiar with the platform, you probably have a chart displayed. Now, this is where the magic happens. Take your mouse and hover over the chart you wish to adjust. You might notice that the default setup of the chart can sometimes clutter your view, especially when you're trying to analyze recent price movements. This is where the chart shift comes in handy. To activate this feature, simply perform a right-click anywhere on the chart. This action opens up a context menu that provides you with a variety of options to customize your trading environment. Here, you'll be looking for an option labeled Chart Shift. This particular function is cleverly designed to move the chart's last price bar away from the right edge of the window. By doing this, you gain some extra space to the right of the chart, allowing for a much clearer view of the latest price activity and any technical indicators you might be using. Once you have located Chart Shift in the menu, go ahead and click on it. You'll notice that the chart instantly shifts to the left, creating that additional space on the right side. This new layout not only makes it easier to see price changes as they occur, but also improves your overall ability to analyze and act on the information presented on your screen. Now that the chart shift is enabled, you can better position your chart and focus more effectively on the trading signals and any new developments. This small change can make a significant difference, especially during times of active market conditions when every detail counts. Remember, customizing your chart layout is not just about aesthetics, it's about functionality and ensuring you have the best possible setup for your trading strategies. If you wish to disable chart shift or make further adjustments, you can follow the same steps. Simply right-click on the chart and toggle the chart shift option to revert or adjust as needed. Being able to adapt the platform to your needs is what makes MetaTrader 5 such a powerful tool for traders of all levels. I hope this tutorial was helpful in guiding you through enabling the chart shift on MetaTrader 5. By taking advantage of features like this, you can enhance your trading efficiency and comfort. Thank you for tuning in, and happy trading.